Hi there, my name is Michelle Lowbeer and I'm from Sydney, Australia. And thank you so much for having me on the call today. Now I'd like to introduce you to a very special friend of mine. His name is Hairy Thoughtbuster. He's a superhero for young minds who busts children's negative thoughts with his magic popper before they become negative beliefs. He and I have written a chapter in this book together called A Message for Your Child from superhero Hairy Thoughtbuster. He explains to the children in the chapter that he's really busy busting negative thoughts of children off in Greenland, so he's going to have to teach children how they can bust their own negative thoughts when he's not around. And he does that using various rhymes. So here are 3 rhymes that are in the chapter that we've written together. The first one goes like this.
I'm feeling bad, sad, mad. I wonder what's the thought I had.
So if, for example, a child is feeling bad because they can't do their maths homework, they might be having the thought, I'm never going to be good at maths. So then they can use the second rhyme, which goes like this.
I hear you thought, but I can't trust you. I think that it might be time to bust you.
And then the child can imagine Hairy Thoughtbuster coming along to bust their negative thought. And the third rhyme is,
there's room for one thought in my head. I'm choosing a better feeling thought instead.
And so, for example, instead of thinking the thought, I'm never going to be good at maths, the child can think the thought, even though I'm having trouble with my maths homework, I'm going to ask for help and I'm going to get better and better at maths. So this is a process that children can use and adults can use it too, using rhymes to internalize and remember the important things that are the important concepts. Now, Hairy Thoughtbuster also in the book features his friends who are called the Fluffies. You know, every superhero kind of needs sidekicks, so these are them. Each of the Fluffies represents a different self-esteem truth about every child on the planet. And if you are wanting to, you can download a poster of the Fluffies at www.hairythoughtbuster.com. Thank you so much for having me on the call, and I hope you and your children get a lot of benefit from the Fluffies and Hairy Thoughtbuster's messages. Thank you so much. Bye.